Climate change has resulted in more frequent extreme weather, such as hot weather, super typhoons, and heavy rainfall, leading to severe damage to infrastructure facilities and fatalities. It is a pressing issue worldwide. The main cause of global warming and climate change is carbon dioxide produced by the burning of fossil fuels. The average annual temperature exceeded 1.5 degrees Celsius above the late 19th century benchmark for the first time in 2023, meaning urgent action is needed to reduce emissions and address climate change. In the Paris Agreement, world leaders agreed to work together to prevent average global temperature rising by more than 1.5 degrees Celsius. Countries worldwide are exploring the use of more low-carbon and non-carbon energy to combat climate change, including different forms of renewable energy and nuclear energy. Nuclear power is a non-carbon energy because it produces no carbon emissions during electricity generation. Compared with renewable energy, such as hydro, wind, or solar power, nuclear power does not rely on weather conditions and provides a reliable supply and base load power at a competitive price. It can also be used to produce carbon-free green hydrogen to decarbonize transport and heating. Even though nuclear safety often remains a public concern, the latest generation of nuclear reactors have far higher safety levels because of advances in nuclear technologies. For sustainable development, there is a need for global decarbonization, for which nuclear energy can play a significant role. At the 2023 United Nations Climate Change Conference, 24 countries, including the US, the UK, and France, called for a tripling of the world's nuclear energy capacity by 2050. CLP started importing nuclear energy to Hong Kong since 1994. Electricity from Daya Bay Nuclear Power Station currently accounts for around 1/3 of CLP's energy fuel mix, meeting about a quarter of Hong Kong's electricity demand. In 2021, the Hong Kong SAR government issued the Climate Action Plan 2050. It sets out the long-term decarbonization strategy with a target of raising the share of zero-carbon energy in the fuel mix to 60% to 70% by 2035, including nuclear energy, and working towards carbon neutrality and net zero electricity generation by 2050. Through the dedicated plant and dedicated line model, Daya Bay has been supplying Hong Kong with clean, reliable, and safe nuclear energy at a stable price, helping Hong Kong to reduce more than 7.5 million tons of carbon dioxide emissions a year. Importing more non-carbon nuclear energy will support the long-term decarbonization of Hong Kong.